Alright, the moment you've been waiting for, we're finally going to add materials to our course. But before we do that, we need to find a way to organize our course. And the best way to do that is finding a way to structure your folders. Now, I want you to think about user experience design. Who are our users? Our students. So when they access our course, we wanted to make it easy for them to navigate through it. Which folder will they go to find your syllabus? Which folder will they go to find the week 1 assignments? Having an organized system makes it easier for your students and alleviates any sort of frustration with the work that they have to do, right? So in this video, we're going to look at folders. We're going to look at formatting folders. We're going to look at different ways to organize our folders. And I'm going to show you a way to add pictures or GIFs to grab the attention of your students. That's right, I said GIFs. Team GIFs all the way. So let's get started. Now I'm going to go to my Innovative Learning Sandbox course, and if you want to know how to make a sandbox course, go to the course dashboard video. Now let's go ahead and click on Innovative Learning, and here I am in my sandbox course, and it automatically lands in my materials page. Remember I told you in the video before this, you can actually change where your students will land in. I can actually change it by going to course settings, and I can have them land in the update section of my course. If you want to do that, go for it. But right now, we're going to land in materials. I am going to add a folder by clicking Add Materials and selecting Add Folder. I'm going to give this folder a name. I'm going to call it Week 2. Now, that's one way of organizing your folders by week. And I'm going to share, or rather, I'm going to add the link to this blog in the description of this video, because it shows you 7 different ways to organize your folders. So right now we're doing the time machine organization strategy. All right, so week 2. My favorite color is blue, so we're going to keep it that way. Check this out. This may all seem very familiar to you. When we were posting updates, we saw the same options: bolding, italicized, underline, you name it. But avert your attention to insert content. Now check this out. You can pull something from your Google Drive. You can add a YouTube video. You can add an image. Okay, so some of these apps you're gonna have to install first. So check out another video where we talk about installing apps, all right? But we're gonna keep it simple. We're just gonna add an image. So this is my week 2 folder. So maybe this is like innovative concepts. Let's do that. That's the topic of my week. Let's move on to date for a second. Here I can set the date in which I want this folder to be published. So let's say week 2 is actually on August 3rd. And I want this folder to publish on August 3rd. But I'm not done yet. I want to add some content, an image to hook my students into this folder. So insert content, I'm going to hit image, and I'm going to attach an image from my computer. So let's see. Let's just do this Innovative Learning banner. It's fine. Okay, so there it is. I can resize this image by clicking on the circles. Now it's best practice if we drag from the edges. Sorry, not the edges. If we drag from the corners. Because if we drag from the top or the side here, we're going to stretch the image out and it's not going to look good. All right, so that's one image. You can also insert a GIF, and let me show you how I do that. I went to a website called Giphy.com, Giphy, and I already found an image actually. It's this image right here because I just searched the word innovation. So I click on that image, I click on copy link, and I copy the GIF link. Okay, then I go back to my Schoology course page, insert content, image from the web, and paste. And bada bing, bada boom. There is my GIF. So here's what I have. I've got week 2 published on the 3rd of August, and I got 2 pictures. I'm gonna hit create and check it out. There is my eye-appealing folder. All right, we're not done yet. We're gonna add another folder. So you can add a folder by clicking add materials again, add folder, or what you can do is this. I can actually click on the plus sign here or down here, depending on where you want this folder to go. So I am going to go here, and then I'm going to add folder, and I'm going to title this folder week 1. Okay, welcome. All right, I want this published because we're in week 1 already. I'm not going to mess with the date. I'm going to hit create. All right, so it's here on the bottom, but week 1 comes before week 2. So check this out. I can actually drag this folder to the top. All right, and how easy is that? How easy is that? There it is, week 1, week 2. Now, it's always good to find an organized system. Whenever you create these folders, you can always move them after the fact. So maybe I make another folder and I call this completed weeks. Okay, and that folder goes in the bottom. I want to put that in the top. Maybe I want to change this to a different color. I'll go back, hit the cogwheel. I can hit edit to go back. Let's make it red. Save changes. And let's say week 1 is done. Check this out. I can actually drag week 1 into my completed weeks folder. Just like that. So now my folder's nested in there. Okay? If I want to drag it back out, I can absolutely do that. Like so. All right, and that's it with folders. In the next video, we're going to dive deeper into making assignments. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in this video, and please subscribe. You can also find me at EdTechLegaspi on Twitter. Thank you.